How to block someone on Threads 2023 easy. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to block someone on Threads 2023 easy. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to your Threads app. By the way, this applies on all the apps that you have in the Threads app. So for example, you have Threads on your iOS and on your computer, then this also applies to those devices on the apps right there. So what you need to do is if you want to block someone, then you can just search for them right here. So let's try to search for them and let's search for that person. So as you can see, I'm following this person, but I want to block them. What I need to do is to just click on these three dots up here. And from in there, you can see these options to mute, restrict, block, and report. So mute, if you mute them, then they will be not muted, or actually be muted to you, but you will not receive any notifications from them. This also applies to restrict because you will see less posts or threads of them. So if you block them, then you will completely not see anything from them. So let's try to block them and then click on block right here in the bottom. As you can see, we have blocked that person. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to block someone on Threads. If you have questions and comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.